Hello, I have done a lot of tutorials in Russian language, so now it's time to do something for English community. How to do graphics like this in 3 simple steps with zero code. First of all, you need to have 2 plugins, or 1 plugin and 1 script. Plugin Mask Prompter to make your life quite easy here, and another one is Layer Repeater to make everything work like this. So what you need to do? You take your footage. Alright, is it good? Good. Second step, you make mask. Bam! Then you run Mask Prompter. Done. Here you just use your mask as a box. Bam! Is it easy? Easy. To make it work better, you just adjust your mask, and if you need, easily animate it. Okay, alright. You don't need to be very accurate. Second step, make it high quality and maybe make legacy in matte refinement. Sometimes this work good, sometimes you need to make it HQ. I don't need it here. Legacy is okay. Then sometimes it's better to make it on matte. I use it in such kind of graphics to make it on transparent. And just render as MP4. I don't need high quality for art projects. Very fast for laptop. Now I have this and that. Bam bam. Use basic linear color key to choose your color. If there is some black mask around, you can refine it by using some other tools. Then you need this script, Layer Repeater. I want to have 36 copies of it. Layer Repeater, go. What I have now, the null to control everything, and comp with all 36 copies, and they all cleaned. Come back. And now just to animate it, we can go here on null object, and what I need to do is to use offset here. 10 degree is to make circle. Then I need to adjust anchor point like that, and you need to remember if you're going down 930 minus 260, and here in position I need adjust it, also make it 700. Yes, with without. Okay, now just let's animate. Also time remap to make offset 1 second. Good. Yeah, no, minus 1 second. Good. And then we need to animate it. Let's do it on the first second. I will animate offset and rotation, and I will animate opacity. Begin end. You move it 20 frames forward, then make here rotation 0, and begin end in opacity 0, and then let's make it like this. If you want to make some complex figures, you can adjust offset in position, and then you can make something more complex and more beautiful. Yeah, and the same offset in rotation, you can make it bigger to make some beautiful things like I have in my other projects. Yeah. This is how you can do it very easy and very beautiful. I have done it with expressions and with the point on path, but like this you can do it very easy in other projects. So just copy me if you need to. So yeah, easy peasy. It takes me about 5 minutes to do this. Bye.